স্ক্ৰিনিং আৰু মনুখানকে ডায়াবেটিছ বিমাৰ ওপৰত জানকাৰী দিবলৈ ৰটাৰী ক্লাব ডিমাপুৰ পৰা অল ইণ্ডিয়া লেভেল কেম্পেইন আয়োজন কৰিছে ডিমাপুৰতে সেক্ৰেটাৰী পংকজ মোদী জানাইছে পুৰা দেশতে 1 মিলিয়ন টেষ্ট টাৰ্গেট কৰি আছে ডিমাপুৰতে বাচ্চা খান লগা সোচ আৰু ভাৱনা বুজিবলৈ সহায় কৰিবলৈ আৰু বাচ্চা খানকে মৰম মেহসুস কৰিব দিবলৈ সেলিসিন ডম্বস্কো ডিমাপুৰ আইডা পৰা চাইল্ড ফ্ৰেণ্ডলি ডিমাপুৰ প্ৰজেক্ট লঞ্চ কৰিছে ওয়েডনেসডে দিন NSF Martyrs Memorial Trophy 2021 laga registration to 6 October tak thakibo aru khel to 9 October para shuru kurikena 6 November te samat hobo sob milai kena prize money to 5,40,000 rakhishe koikana jani paise Nagaland Tourism Department para Hornbill Festival 2021 laga 22nd edition dinimite kotha patibole coordination meeting matishe 1st October 2021 te Director Tourism Ajanio Bello para tribal hosts or organization khan meeting te hissa lobole binti korise Sop manuke Nagaland TV re swagat korese mola naam Rovinio Lama apne de saise Nagamis Prime Time Nagaland Tourism Department para janaise coordination meeting ekta October 1 puzur 11 bajite rakhibole ase Itu meeting te sub tribal hosts or organization kan conference hall directorate of tourism kohimate thakibole ase koikena janaise Itu meeting te Nagaland te manabole thaka 22nd edition Hornbill Festival 2021 opor batchit kuribole ase Directorate Tourism Ajanio Bello para tribal hosts kan ke nivedan korise bhal bhabna te duita representative nohoilebi members ke buhibole thaka meeting ke kimti aro urgent nishna bhavna kurikena ahibole nivedan korise ANMA Integrated Development Association AIDA para Selicien Don Bosco laga Social Development Office Dimapur de Child Friendly Dimapur launch korise DBIDL Hall Don Bosco campus te idu program laga chief guest to IAS Deputy Commissioner Dimapur Rajesh Soundara Rajan thakise Child Friendly Dimapur project to Child Friendly Cities Initiative CFCI United Nation kun 1996 te khula laga ase koikena janai dise
Aida laga executive director logote buina ase to ahibi itu child friendly Dimapur la opor develop jankari chani lobo can you highlight us with regard to the launch of the child friendly Dimapur
Child friendly Dimapur is a program that AIDA is initiating today the aim of our little program that we are starting is to make Dimapur into a child friendly city that every child who is in Dimapur feels safe that they are loved, that they are cared for, that the civil society, everyone in the society is concerned about them and they love them and they are taken care and they are given what they want. Their voices are listened to. In our decision making, we take their concerns as well and children become an important part of our project and program.
Is there any further project with regard to a child friendly
In Dimapur there is nothing there is no child friendly Dimapur project but there are many other projects like child line certain aspects of children are looked after child friendly is the first time in Dimapur and tomorrow in Shillong the child friendly Shillong will be also part of the same program by the Salesians of Don Bosco. Shillong province will be inaugurating. So both these cities in Nagaland and in Shillong, two cities in Northeast, have been selected this time for this by the Salesians.
So what is the main motive of this program?
Today we wanted to launch officially this program. This program is not run by one agency, one NGO alone. It has got to take into consideration on board all the other civil society, other organizations, decision makers, everyone is involved in this. Therefore, we need the support of everyone. Though it is launched by AIDA and run by AIDA, it is going to be in partnership with everyone, every individual in the society, the civil administration, the ordinary people, parents, children, other NGOs, everyone who is interested.
প্ৰদেশ চৰকাৰ পৰা জনাইছে আনলক 7 ফেজ 2 অক্টোবৰ 1 পৰা শুৰু কৰিব মিনিষ্টাৰ ফৰ প্লানিং এণ্ড কোঅৰ্ডিনেটছ লেণ্ড ৰেভিনিউ এণ্ড পাৰ্লিমেণ্টাৰী এফেয়াৰ্ছ নিবা খ্ৰনু পৰা জনাইছে আনলক 7 ফেজ তে Church service, alak social gatherings or sports event khan sob COVID-19 protocols manikena shuru hobo. Khrono aur janaishe night curfew te 1 ghanta azad dishe aru class 5 to 10 laga regular classes bi 50% attendance te SOP sob manikena October 1 pura shuru hobo. Sarkar faisla loise Unlock 7 te dukan aru alag business establishment khan poila chuli kena aha nishna puzur 6 baji para loikena sam 6 baji tak khulibo. Dimapur District Citizen Forums aru kisim civil society khan Wednesday din Sarkar Pro offices aru branches khan ke nutun DC office complex Chumukdimate shift kuribole hukum dia khilaf ekta rally ayojon kurise. Rally to DC court e thakise DDCF ultimatum te janaise DC office to Chumukdimate shift kuri dile Dimapur janta khan bishi dukh hobo. Dimapur to commercial hub ase aru DC to district laga collector ase. Itu nimite DC office dusra jakate shift kurato thik nohoy. DDCF aru bi janaise state sarkar to democratic tarika July kana janta para chunishe. Itu nimite inika dangor faisla loa homaite janta laga bhapna aru aha jaha bhalke bhabigena lobo lage. Dimapur civil society khan emergency meeting te faisla loise DC office to adha nohile pura notun jakate shift kuri dibole nadibo. Headquarter Chumukdima camp Dimapur tek to DC Dimapur letterhead para 5 din bitorde hata bole 29 September 2021 para loikena DDCF faisla kurise September 30 te pura Dimapur shehar band thakibo hoilebi school dawai laga dukan aro gari aha jaha khan sob alag din nishna chulibo itu rally opor aram achumi para jankari anigene thakato huni sabo.
Today, Honorable Chief Minister, Government of Nagaland, Kohima, through the forward channel, ultimatum, with deep sorrow and pain, the citizens of Dimapur, represented by various civil society, after thorough deliberation, served this ultimatum for immediate action by the Government of Nagaland for the welfare of the citizens of Dimapur. That, in spite of repeated representation against the shifting of Commissioner Office Dimapur to elsewhere on 25/8/2014, 5/6/2015 and 6/4/2021. The Home Department has issued an order number white such and such dated 7 September 2021 for shifting of district election office and disaster management cell to the new Commissioner Office complex and to make necessary arrangement for shifting other branch at an earliest date. The Deputy Commissioner Office must remain in the present location and should never be shifted elsewhere because, number one, the present Deputy Commissioner Office is located in a pastoral land, which means it is in an urban area. Shifting it would entail tremendous hardship for the citizens of Dimapur, and more than 50% of the total population of Dimapur district live under Dimapur Sadar subdivision. Number two, unlike other districts of Nagaland, Dimapur has 3 revenue area and is also the commercial capital of the state, for which the Deputy Commissioner of Dimapur is also the district collector. Number 3, the state government is formed by democratically elected representative of the people, and hence the best interest of the people must be kept in mind while taking such sensitive decision. There is a clear apprehension of tension leading to unrest if the government goes ahead with a decision to shift the headquarters elsewhere. Number 4, it is quite surprising to see the posting of an ADC in the office of ESC Chumukdima, even if certain conditions such as well-function from is indicated. It may be the prerogative of the state government to put in place such administrative arrangement, but no proper system seems to have been followed. people are aware that between ESC and ADC, there is another post of STO Civil. Therefore, the Dimapur-based civil society, during an emergency meeting, has resolved not to allow any move to shift the Deputy Commissioner office in part or as a whole from the present location, which is logistically located, for which the government should cancel the Home Department Order number such and such dated 7 September 2021 and all other orders notice with regards to shifting of Deputy Commissioner office. Remove the TEC headquarters Chumukidima Camp Dimapur from the letterhead of DC Dimapur within 5 days with effect from 29 September 2021. In the event of such forceful move leading to any unwanted incident, the civil society and the
Joakali Minister for Health and Family Welfare GON Pangyu Pompara Banai Thaka Medical College Kohimate kam kiniga jai ase koikana judge kuribole jaise. Minister para tai laga official Twitter account e janaise tai khushi ase kam thik para jai thaka para. Aru jun parties laga effort itu project e ase itu parties khan ke bi mun khushi janaise. Form para contractors aru tate kam kura manu khan ke motivate kuri kana kam te mon digana itu project ke joldi safal banabole kotha patishe. Chief Minister Nifirio para Tuesday de ekta National Helpline Senior Citizen karne launch kurise. Elder Line 14567 to Nagaland te thaka senior citizen karne ase. Elder Line 14567 to toll free helpline ase aru itu to Ministry of Social Justice para initiate kurise. Bura buri khanke tai khan laga duk suk aru complaint khan janai dibole. Rio para tai laga tweet te Good Samaritan Women Society ke itu nishna bhal kadam lobole para opor badai janai kana itu helpline ke bhal para launch kura para khushi janaise. Apur Khanpura Rotary Club India level logote milikena nationwide test diabetes laga screening kuribole aru manu khan ke diabetes laga opor jankari dibole organize kurise koigana jani paise. Secretary Pankaj Modi para NLTV logote kotha kuwa homai janaise itu campaign to India level campaign ase aru India te 1 million test target kuri ase. Rotary Club para itu test screening kuribole basta camp set up kurise aru survey ekta laga hisabte India to diabetic capital hobo nishna ase itu karne manu khan ke nijor laga gao bhal para sabole bi janaise.
Aji World Heart Day la homoi de Rotary Club Dimapur para ide free screening camp under defeat diabetes campaign itu juli ase to aibi ami khan ide General Secretary Pankaj Modi logode itu la jankari jani lobo. Aji laga itu campaign laga jankari lo bujai do.
Acha, today Rotary Club of Dimapur in collaboration with a Rotary Club all over India level, we are conducting a nationwide test. It's like a free screening of diabetes. People do not know if they have diabetes or not, so we are conducting. We have a target of doing 1 million tests all over India. It's an India level campaign. And today on account of World Heart Day, we thought this could be the right day to conduct this test. And we have set up 5 camps. One in this Agarwal Scan Lab in Godapatti, one in Dr. Sharma Clinic, another in Sri Digambar Jain Charitable Hospital, one in Durga Mandir, and one outside and outskirts like Gautam Basti, Khatkati area. So its aim is to, like, people should be aware of if they have diabetes or not. And even if they have, they can just come to know. Since it's a free checkup, they can come to know that what is the figure. It's going up or down. Since in the coming 5 years, according to some survey, India is going to become a diabetic capital. So we need to take care of our health and we need to keep monitoring. So this is the best way. Keep yourself testing. Yeah.
Itu laga sponsorship la to kini ka ase?
The glucometer has been provided from our district club, from Rotary Club of District 3240. It's a national level thing. And moreover, the food packets and for the volunteer and the water drinking facility we are providing by ourselves. So our target is to cross at least 1,000 tests today. We have given advertisement in Nagaland Post also. So please come and avail the service. That's it.
আমি সব মানুষ জানিছে কি স্ক্রিনিং গেম তো একটা জায়গাতে একলা নয় হলে বি তিনটা চারটা জায়গাতে বি আছে কোনে তো আমি জানি পাইছে মই সে রিপোর্টার কমিটি নং দি উইথ ক্যামেরা পারসন খালিল সাই থাকিবি নাগাল্যান্ড টিভি সব বন্ধ লাগা আওয়াজ
नागालैंड चिल्ड्रेन जोन कोइकना बच्चा खान करने कोर्ट एकटा ट्यूसडे दिन डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट कम्प्लेक्स वखाते खुला जानाइसे इदु चिल्ड्रेन जोन तो जस्टिस सिद्धांशु दुलिया चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ गुवाहाटी हाई कोर्ट असम नागालैंड मिजोराम अरुणाचल प्रदेश और पेट्रोन इन चीफ ऑफ नागालैंड स्टेट लीगल सर्विसेस अथॉरिटी para इनॉग्रेट क्रूशे कोइकना जानि पाइसे Children Zone to Nagaland State Legal Services Authority NSLSA para initiate kurise aur bacha khan ke free legal services scheme for children under National Legal Services Authority NALSA dibule ase koigena janaise child friendly zone to Pradesh laga sob jagate thakile bhal hobo koise aur bacha khan laga judicial process te bi modod dibo koise bacha khan ke courtroom te ताई खान लगा रिकॉर्डिंग लोबले लोइजा समाइते पुलिस लॉयर और अलग अलग मानु खान के दिखिबो पारे और ताई खान लगा कॉन्फिडेंशियलिटी तो वायलेट कुरे और सेक्सुअल असॉल्ट लगा विक्टिम तो सब मानु कोर्ट रूम ते आहा जहा कुरा समाई ताई खान लगा चेहरा चिनी लय कोर्ट ट्रायल्स खान तो बच्चा खान करने बिशी दिमाग खाए और दुख पाए इटु कारण चाइल्ड फ्रेंडली जोन तो बच्चा खान के ভাল लगा और स्ट्रेस फ्री कुरिबले खुलिसे कोकेना जनाइसे Gram Panchayat Development Plan oporte ek din laga training on People's Plan campaign line department logote milikana Kohima District Planning and Development Board Hall Tuesday dinte loise Grigory Tejawale Deputy Commissioner of Kohima para campaign loi samai Gram Panchayat laga planning and development process laga zaruri kam oporte kotha patise tai para koise People's Plan campaign to October 3 para January 31 2022 te launch kuribo ताई पर आरु हौसला दिशे डेवलपमेंट और सोशल चेंजेस टाउन ते आनिबो निमिते लाइन डिपार्टमेंट फॉर ट्रांसपेरेंट एंड इंक्लूसिव प्लानिंग ते हिस्सा लोबले लागे कोइकना जानि पाइसे Angami Student Union para joakali press conference rakise Angami Student Union office kuntu radio station Kohima laga nichite ase itu jagate meeting loise ASU para led Vikozio Yoshu aru led Kekyozale Chachu kun arm firing te murise taikhan laga naam para 21st NSF Martyrs Memorial Trophy 2021 football tournament lobole ase koikena jani paise joa sal itu program covid pandemic karon lobo para nai hoilebi itu sal to covid SOP manikena Indira Gandhi Stadium Kohimate lobole ase sob जीत हासिल कुरा खान के टोटल 5,40,000 पाबो कोइसे और रजिस्ट्रेशन तो 6 अक्टोबर ते बंद हो जाबो टूर्नामेंट तो 9 अक्टोबर पर शुरू करिगना 6 नवेम्बर ते समाप्त होबो टूर्नामेंट लगा रेफरी तो नागालैंड पर ही থাকিবो होइलेबि ताई खान तो नेशनल रेफरी लगते भी मिलिकिना आसे कोइसे और ASU खान मणिपुर नागालैंड और जुआसा लगा जीता टीम खान निशना खान के रुखी आसे कोइकना जनाइ दिसे
The Angami Students Union have been taking up this Herculean task for the past 20 years. Last year, due to global pandemic, the tournament was withheld. But in honor of the two martyrs, a special edition was organized by the Angami Students Union under the theme Beyond COVID. This year, with the government relaxing the outdoor activities, the Angami students have come forward to organize this 21st NSF Martyrs Memorial Trophy from 9 October to 6 November at IG Stadium. For the first time, we are introducing the tournament at Indira Gandhi Stadium. This year, we want the players to come and exhibit their skill, their talents at AstroTurf, and we are introducing the night matches starting from quarter-final to grand finale. However, with the COVID protocol in place, will be following all the COVID protocols.
Federating units and subordinated bodies of our Naga Students Federation to participate for this upcoming tournament. And this sports is not only in memory of our late brothers, but to bring peace in our land and to unite the Nagas brothers and sisters throughout the world. And as our motto says, for unified limb and glory of Nagas.
We have already dispatched 80 forms, and then the forms are available in Kohima. For in Kohima, we have K&K, Royal Enfield Kohima High School, and then our RSF office, Sports World Main Town, and then Sports Paradise, KCK. And then in Bezikma, we have Falcon Corner. In Chibukidima, we have G Sports, and then in Dimapur, we have Kiran Sports.
The champion will walk away with 2 lakhs. The runner-up will get 120. The losing semi-finalists will get 30,000 each. The losing quarter-finalists will get 15,000 each. We have individual prizes as well. The best midfielder 10,000, best defender 10,000, best custodian 10,000, highest scorer 10,000, and player of the tournament will give.
Kohima Police para 25 September te Din Dahar SBI Main Branch Kohima te Poisa Luta Galatkar ekta kun police para bisari thakishe tai ke bi duri loise koikana Kohima Police para janaise Galatkar laga naam to Zelhoile Mets 51 sal ase koikana jani paise Kohima Police para 5 lakh bitor de napai kana thaka 2.5 lakh bi Zelhoile laga hat para paise koikana janaise District Veterinary Hospital Kifiri para awareness on rabies and free anti-rabies vaccination drive 28 September 2021 under theme Rabies Fact Not Fear. Manishe Chief Veterinary and AH Officer Kifiri Dr. Celia Sangtam para koishe French chemist aro microbiologist Lois Pasteur kun para first rabies vaccine banaise taike yad kurigana hodai sal 28 September te desh te rabies day mane koikana janishe Celia para koishe itu sal laga team rabies fact not fear rabies to manukhan ke bhal para bujai dibule aro bimar ke misamishi para koikana thaka kisa khan sob hatai dibule kotha janaise aro rabies bimar to manu aro janwar oporte khatra thaka khan aro rabies ke kinika rukha bole laga itu opor jankari dishe Kohima Smart City para Kohima Municipal Council, Government Department और Citizen Based Organization लोगोटे मिलिकेना Kohima ते आजी Puzur Street Carnivals organize kurishe koikana jani paise Kohima Street Carnival to 29 September Old NST te launch kurishe aru itu event to 75th years of India independence Azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav mane koikana kurikshe koikana janaise event to 27 September para shuru kurikena 2nd October tak thakibo aru kisim kisim program khan lobole ase koikena janaise
event to amikhan smart city laga under bra organize kori ase itu ministry bra smart cities mission koigena center de itu ministry ase to tar khan koya du 75 years of India's independence itu celebrate kuribo karne 100 smart cities all across the country sob ke 75 hours te even different events itu organize kurigena citizens khan ke ekdom impact kuria na something different some change itu experience kuribli dia itu organize kuribi ko abra ami khan bi Kohima smart city bi ami khan bhabna kuri thagi gena different organizations na citizen based organizations aro local institutes khan logade moi khan collaborate kuri kina do street festival to organize kore ase ami khan kam to 26 pra shuru hoise olive ami hala event to 29 aji he launch kurise it will go until the 2nd of October event to ami khan smart city laga under
Union Health Ministry data hisabte 24 ঘণ্টা ভিতৰতে দেশতে 18,870 নতুন COVID-19 কেसेस পাইছে আৰু 378 মানুহ বিমাৰ পৰা মৰিছে দেশ লগা ৰিকভাৰী ৰেট খাৰা কৰাটো 97.83% আছে আৰু 28,178 পেশেন্ট বিমাৰ পৰা ভাল হৈছে আৰু ইটো পুৰা মিলাইলে দেশতে ইতিয়া 3,29,86,180 cases আছে আৰু 2,82,520 active cases আছে কোকেনা জানি পাইছে নাগালেণ্ড প্ৰদেশ টিবি total cases থাকাটো 31,223 আৰু 29,196 মানুহ বিমাৰ পৰা ভাল হৈছে কোকেনে জানাই দি আছে Russia para bana Sputnik V vaccine aru to kunbai India private hospital para bon kuri dishe sarkar para free COVID-19 vaccine dia nimite private hospital khan Sputnik bikri kuribole bishi digdari samna kora nimite ase koigena janaise kunba official janaise komti demand aru bishi thanda jakate rakhibole laga nimite tinta dangor hospital para Sputnik order cancel kuri dishe Sputnik V to private market te hi bikri kure itia tak Health Ministry data dikha dia hisabte May moina para loikane jua hafta tak private hospital khan 6% vaccine ekla mari bole parise deshte India laga vaccination drive to AstraZeneca vaccine opor chuli ase itu vaccine to regular refrigerator te rakhibole pare hoile bi Sputnik to 18 degrees Celsius te rakhibole lage aru itu nimite jhamela ase Sputnik vaccine to AstraZeneca para 47% opor dam ase private market te Panchta ghor manu ama baba aru tinta minor bacha Taikhan laga ghor Aurangabad Bosti Hodol subdivision Wednesday te muri kena paise mura manu laga naam to Naresh 32 sal to ceiling te phasi lagi kena paise aru maiki aru tinta bacha to bisna te mura paise Police official para koa to Naresh to ekta kisan thakise aru kitia Taikhan laga neighbor at 8 bajite darwaza knock kurise itu samaite Taikhan muri kena paise itia to Taikhan laga dead body to post mortem examination karne loi jai kena ase aru itia police khan para case to investigate kuri ase ko kena janai di ase
कारणों का अभी हमें भी पता नहीं लग पाया कल तक सब कुछ ठीक था कल शाम को ये लड़का आया था बाहर से और कल शाम को आने के बाद रात को 10-11 बजे तक ये बाहर बैठे रहे हैं अड़ोसी पड़ोसी के साथ में अच्छी बातचीत हंसी मजाक रहे कि उसके बाद को 12 बजे के बाद ये हादसा हुआ है जिसके बारे में हम अनभिज्ञ हैं अभी किसी को कोई जानकारी नहीं
तो कितने लोग शामिल हैं इसमें
मृत में 5 शामिल हैं वो लड़का खुद नरेश था उसकी घरवाली थी और एक लड़का था उसका नरेश का और 2 लड़के हैं 5 हैं
तो पांचों मृत पाए गए तो पता कैसे चला इसका कि मृत पाए
पहले पड़ोसियों को पता लगा है यहाँ इसके नरेश के पिताजी बाहर लेटे हुए थे उन्होंने पड़ोसियों लड़के को बोला कि अंदर
Boxing star Manny Pacquiao to Philippine election 2022 te president chunav te hisa lobole kuri thaka homaite tai boxing para retire kuri ase ko kana Wednesday te tai laga 14 minutes video official Facebook page te janai dishe Manny to dunia te atta alag division te titles jiti kana ase aru tai boxing para retire kurato bishi monduk laga kotha ase ko kana janaise Many para tai Twitter page te tai laga fans dunia te kiman ase itu khan ke tai ke modot kura karan bishi khushi ase ko kena bi janaise Russia para duita Soyuz manned spacecraft our tinta Progress cargo spacecraft 2022 te International Space Station te patabole fesla loikana ase program hisabte Russia para Soyuz MS-21 spacecraft aro astronaut Oleg Artemyev, Denis Medvedev আৰু Sergey Korsakov to March 18, 2022 te launch kuribole ase koikana janaise. Soyuz MS-22 spacecraft to September 21, 2022 te launch kuribo astronaut Sergey Prokofiev, Anna Kinika আৰু Dmitry Petelin loikana. Russia para flight logo 3ta cargo mission LISS te patabole ase. Progress MS-19 February 15 te, Progress MS-20 June 3 te, aru MS-21 to October 26 te. Taliban para India Directorate General of Civil Aviation ke chiti likhishe India aru Afghanistan laga commercial flight shuru kuribole. Taliban para chiti phata thaka Civil Aviation Ministry para sai ase koigana janaise. August 15 pichide India para Kabul de ahi sob bon kurishe Taliban para jaka kabza kura pichide. Joa hapta Taliban alag desh khan ke aha jaha shuru kuribi koise aru airport e jhamela ula thaka sob phal hoise koikana janaise. Taliban spokesperson Abdul Kahar Balki koise desh bitor aru international flight bon kurato Afghan manu bahar thaka aru kam kura manu aru student khan karne digdar ase koikana janaise. Ajila समाचार इडो समाट होइसे इन्फर्मेशन अपडेट करने साइट के भी नागालैंड टीवी
Welcome to St. Joseph University, where our vision is to learn, discover, create, and innovate. Our university comes with a state-of-the-art infrastructure where we offer chemistry lab, an engineering lab, life science lab, physics lab, zoology fieldwork, and many more. Come and be part of one of the leading universities in the Northeast.